Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Ronke. I'm going to show you very quickly how to get into Overdrive. The reason you might want to try to get into Overdrive is because you have so many options to check out free materials, free books, free videos, and free audiobooks, free picture books, and it's relatively easy to get there. The first thing that you want to do is go to Horning Middle School Library, and you're going to see on the right hand side an icon that says click here for our online library catalog. You click on there and it's going to take you to this site. And this should look familiar. You've probably seen this on the big Mac computer right when you come into the library at Horning. On the left hand side, you're going to click on where it says Overdrive, and you're going to have access to lots of ebooks and audiobooks. When you click on that, it is going to take you to this page. And I've decided to log in already because it took my computer, it's kind of slow today, it took about 1.5 minutes, almost 2 minutes to log in. Your computer, your iPad probably won't do that. So then, once you log in, it's going to take you to this Overdrive site that looks just like this. And then you have lots of different options. You can click on the collections if you're not quite sure what you want to read, and maybe look at some of the most popular options or the newest audiobooks. If you have younger students at home, or if you want to have a picture book read to you, that's a great option. So you click on that, and let's try most popular and see kind of what pops up. Lots of great titles here. You're going to see if it's grayed out, that means that you can place a hold or you can look at a sample of it. You wouldn't be able to get the book at that time because there is a limited amount. It's not a complete universal checkout for all of these ebooks. So let's say you wanted to look at Big Nate. You could look at a sample and click on that. You can share it with somebody else, or you could borrow it. And when you click on borrow, you go to checkouts, and then you simply click on read, or you could download it. On the right hand side, it shows you your account. And when you click on read, then it just shows you the book, full color. And to get to a next page, you just click on the screen and it goes to the next page. Okay, and something else that's really wonderful are the audio sites. So you can go back to collections, newest audiobooks. And these are really wonderful. When you're kind of closed in into your house or apartment, it's nice to have an audiobook. It passes the time really nicely. This is a book that I've already checked out, so let's listen to a sample of it. You can click on sample. I have mine already up here. And then you just press play and you're able to listen to it.
1. First slide. I'm allergic to trouble. It makes my hands itch. But today in science, when Mr.
You can change the speed by clicking on this icon here. So you can make it faster or slower.
Levy starts calling out lab partner assignments.
That's a little bit better. You can click on these 3 lines and you can go to specific chapters and just listen to those chapters. Right here it's locked because this is just a sample, but if you check it out, you'll be able to access all of the chapters. Okay, you can go to subjects. And you can look at all different types of subjects. There's thousands of books and videos that you can check out. And then you can search for something too, a book that we're going to be reading for a book discussion in April 23rd is called Crossover. So you could go and find that text, and then you could find the audio of it or the book. So that's what you do. Relatively easy. If you have any questions about that, I will be in Miss Drager's workspace or teaching space tomorrow between 9 and 11 in order to help you access either the Overdrive app or the Overdrive website through Horning Middle School. Thank you so much. Take care, everybody.